Hey guys, today we are going to go over rewards in the Buya app. So if you want to have your customers earning rewards on those purchases and not only logging into the app and accessing layaways and paying on those, but being able to view their points, they're going to log in. And on the bottom right-hand corner, we have Bravo Rewards. The very first time they select that, it's going to bring up a menu that shows the reward structure and how they're going to earn points. They'll scroll to the very bottom and they'll select join. When they do that, they'll have this screen here. And when they make their first purchase, they'll be able to see their rewards. And then as we scroll through, they can still see how to spend points, how to earn points, and their points history. So we can see all of that information here. Now, I'm going to jump over to Bravo and show you how those are used. All right, now that we're back in Bravo, the first thing I want to show is how you're going to activate those rewards before that customer is even going to get started. We just click on our system configuration here. And at the top, I'm going to click on our company here. On the right-hand side, we have our rewards tab. I click on that and I'm just going to check this active box. I've already got it active, so we're all set and we're going to jump into a transaction. We just want to go ahead and look up our customer. And once we get into their profile, we're just simply going to start selling an item. Maybe we have 5 items we want to sell. To access those rewards, all we have to do is hit next. And on the bottom left-hand corner, we have our rewards. So if the customer wants to use some of those, we click on our rewards here. We can choose to apply the points, choose how many we want to apply, and then hit OK. Those are applied, and we can go ahead and finish up that transaction with our other payment method. Print out that receipt. The rewards will be reflected on that receipt. And now we're back on the dashboard. That's how you're going to use rewards. It's simple, easy, and it provides another way for you to engage with your customer.